Hello my dear student, welcome you all in science class. So today we are going to learn about chapter 14 water part 3. In this part we have to learn about that the what will happen if the water will not be available for us. What will happen if it is available in excess in amount. So all these the if will be learning in this part. In the previous part we have discussed about water cycle. And in that water cycle, we have seen that the water gets evaporated, condensed, and then precipitate. And due to that, it makes the availability of water on the earth's surface. But dear student, what will happen if it rains heavily? If there will be the excess amount of water on the earth's surface, what will happen? That causes flood. That causes flood. If if it rains heavily, definitely it causes for the causes for the flood. That in the flood condition, what will happen? The humans and the animals and life forms which are available on the earth's surface will be getting affected by it. The water is available everywhere on the land surface in huge quantity, but not useful for us. But not we cannot use it as the drinking water. So, student, we'll be learning about the next thing, that is what will happen if there will be no rainfall for long period of time. That condition causes drought. That causes for the drought. In drought, definitely, if any of the place which is not receiving rainfall for long period of time, so that land is being converted into the deserts slowly, and that is called as the drought condition. This is the condition is going to be going to be formed in the desert area. The people are, some of the people, they are going to get migrate from that places also. The animals are adapting themselves certain features which we have discussed in the previous chapters also. Camel are going to store the water for long to be used for long period of time. Their sweat glands are reduced. Sweat glands are absent. So absence of sweat gland prevents the water loss. Cactus plant, that in that also we have discussed about. The leaves are getting modified into the spines. So all these are basically the conditions are going to be happen when the excess amount of water will be there, it causes flood. When the no rainfall condition will be there, that causes for the drought. Now what we are going to do to overcome such kind of things? We definitely we have to take care of this thing. The drought condition should not be occur. The flood should not be occur. So for that we have to plant more and more trees. What will happen if the plant will be in the excess amount? If the flood is going to get occur, the water gets absorbed by the soil. The landslides will not occur. That lens, because of the soil is being holded by the plants, so that loss of properties will not be there. If the plants will be available in more quantity, the drought condition will not be available, or it will not be occur. And we find that in deserts there are very less number of plants. Few plants are only available in the desert condition. The plants which are adapting that kind of climatic condition, those who are only able to live. But each and every plant are unable to survive in that dry habitat. Another thing, but what we can do is to overcome the drought situation, we can use the rainwater harvesting system. This rainwater harvesting system is used by us to save water. Planting is one of the way. Another way is what? Rainwater harvesting system should be installed there in each and every house of us. So at the time of rainfall, what happens? The water gets evaporated, water gets collected on the roof part of the house, and through the pipelines it will be getting collected into the ground. So as the water gets collected into the groundwater level is increasing. At the time of rainfall, water will be collected on the roof part, and through pipeline it will be going into the ground level, and it increases the level of water. It is increasing the water table, and that water table is what? The level of water under the ground. So that is being recharged. The water is getting recharged by it. Level of water is being recharged, and due to that, what will happen? It will be making availability of water into the ground, and that helps to increase the level of water, and that helps to provide the water for the further use also. You can make water tank also to collect this water at the ground, and that water can be utilized for some other activities which are being performed by the human. So the rainwater cannot be wasted, and it can be utilized for further use. So hope you all understood this chapter very nicely, and I have explained so many things, why the water is important, what are the formulas, what are the sources of water, and what the condition will occur when excess amount of water will be there, when what will happen when the less amount of water will be there, what kind of conditions will be occur. So that we have discussed flood and drought, and how we can save them. That is the rainwater harvesting system is there, and we have discussed about the water cycle also, that makes the availability of water on the land. So hope that this thing, everything is clear about the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.